Okay guys, welcome again on a new method on how to make money online. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can make up to 5,000 naira, even more than 5,000 naira every single day for yourself as in Nigeria or as an outside Nigeria. And guys, for you to start making this money online, all I just want you to do is for you to calm down and watch this video very carefully until the what until the very end, and make sure that you didn't skip any part. And guys, the name of this website is called Hawkit.ng. I know you may have heard about this website or even completing tasks on this website, but guys, there are some things that I'm going to share with you that will help you to make more money on this word platform. Because as you can see on their tax here, when you perform a tax, you can only earn up to 3 naira every time on the platform. I come again with a new strategy that you can earn more on this what platform for yourself. So guys, before I will show you how you can make that happen shortly, let's introduce ourselves for you to know ourselves much what better. And guys, I want you to introduce yourself also by commenting on this video. Tell me your name and where you are watching from. So guys, let me introduce myself. If you're my existing subscriber, you are welcome. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Eric Diamond, and on this channel I take complex principle, I bring them into easy bits for an average Nigeria to take better their finance. So guys, in exchange to this, all I just wanted to do is for you to support this ship by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell notification icon so that you will be notified each time I upload a video just like this one. And guys, if you find any value on this video, guys, kindly like this video and share it to your loved ones. And guys, I've uploaded some videos which can benefit you. You can go ahead and check more of my videos. So guys, let's dive into today's video right away. Guys, here we are again on the platform. As you can see guys, earn daily by posting advert and performing tags on your social media account. And you can see you can sign up as an advertiser on this what platform for you to start making money online. You can see, congratulations, you are now a member. Your membership has been activated successfully. You can now earn daily by posting adverts and performing tags on your social media account. Click the button below to start earning by generating your next tax. You can perform as many tax as possible. That means they have plenty tax on this platform for you to perform, for you to earn reasonable amount of what money for yourself, guys. So guys, let's scroll down and let me show you the magic how you can make up to 5,000 naira or even more than 5,000 naira every single day. But before that, guys, let me still show you more about this. So because there are some people that have not heard about this platform before, so let me just take it from the beginning. So guys, you can see here, follow people and pages, and 3 naira per follow. And guys, you can see 3 naira may be a little amount of money for you guys, but guys, as you can see, they have over 700, almost 800 tags available here by just what following what people. Let's do some mathematics. So let's just say 3 naira times 700 and what 84 people. So let's do the mathematics. Let's see how much we are going to what realize, or you can even do it yourself because I don't want this video to be longer. So guys, so you can do the mathematics for yourself. 3 naira times 784, you will earn, you will see that you have earned reasonable amount of money, and you are not limited to only 784. You can also go ahead and earn this also by like and follow Facebook business what page. You will earn 3 naira, the same thing. But and guys, they have over 400 tags available also. That means you can earn up to even more than 5,000 naira by just doing the little tags on this platform. But we are not coming here. The main place that we are going, we will soon get here. Just make sure you continue watching this video and don't skip any part. As you can see, they have a hot what news, a hot advert over here. Say click here to research products and earn up to 100,000 naira monthly in sales commission. This is where we are what going on this what platform. So guys, just calm down and I will show you more about this platform. So let's click on earn icon so that we can see more how we can earn more money on this what platform. So let's click on it, the earn icon. Over here, guys, you can see perform social media tags and end daily. When you perform social media tags, is it end daily by posting adverts on various businesses and performing tags on your what social media account. So let's click on it. Let's see how to post advert on our social media account and earn money for ourselves. So let's click on the get started icon. Let's click on it. Let's allow it to load. Okay, it has load, and guys can see earn steady income by posting adverts of businesses and top brands on your social media page. To post advert on your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or TikTok, you must have at least 1,000 followers on your social media account, of which, and I know many of us have over 1,000 followers on our Facebook, on our Instagram, on our TikTok. So guys, this platform, you can make use of it by just posting advert over there, and you will earn 100 naira per advert you posted on your social media account. Just imagine you post like 10, 15 adverts on your social media account. That means you have earned a reasonable amount of money for yourself, guys. So let's see. You can see you can post advert on WhatsApp status and you will earn 15 naira. Post advert on TikTok, you will earn 100 naira. Post advert on your Twitter, you will earn 100 naira. Post advert on your Instagram, you will earn 100 naira. And this you can do it over and over again, and you can earn reasonable amount of money for yourself. Because I said this almost all my videos, Nigeria is never a funny place for us to joke. When we see any opportunity that can make us a side income, let's just key into it and explore and give it a try, whether what I'm saying is it possible or what is not possible. Let's try before what complaining, because our government cannot help us. We are the one that can help ourselves by doing little things that can sustain us from this what hardship of Nigeria nowadays. Here is where we are going right away. So let's click on this resell product and earn big what commission. So let's click on get started, and I will show you how it is being done. And let's wait for it to what to load. Let's wait for it to load, guys. As you can see, this is where we are actually going. I'm just trying to explain for some that are new on the platform. So guys, you can see this airpod is sold 31,668 what naira. When you resell this product, you are going to earn 2,600 what naira for each person that bought this airpod through your what link. And how can you resell this product for you to earn the 2,600 naira for yourself? All you just have to do is for you to click on the resell this product. You click on this icon right here. When you click on it, as you can see, it said fully wireless AirPod. Said to resell this product, you have to click the button below to generate your unique reseller link. You have to have a link. You have to generate your own link, so that whenever any person buy this product through your link, you are going to earn your 2,600 naira for yourself. So you will get a reseller commission of 2,600 naira every time. That means every time someone buy this product using your unique reseller what link, the more you sell, the more you earn. The more you sell on this platform, the more you earn. And guys, if you have a friend, a relative that want to buy airpod, all you just have to do is for you to come into this platform and generate your unique reseller link and share it to them. They will buy this product from this website, and you are going to earn 2,600 naira. And also, you can generate this link and post it on your Facebook account, your Twitter account, your Instagram account. And each time any person buy this product through your referral link, you are going to earn your 2,600 naira. And guys, you can see also this is a laptop right here, HP laptop right here, and it sold 200,000 naira. And when you resell this product, you are going to earn up to 20,000 naira per each sale that you make on this platform. The same year with bags. So there are many products here for you to make use of to earn money for yourself. So guys, this is the end of my video. And guys, if you want to sign up on this platform, it is not actually free of charge. It's just a token, which is what, 1000 naira. 1000 naira may be huge amount of money, and it may be a small amount of money for you to put in, for you to start making this amount of money that I just called, which can make up to 5000 naira or even more than 5000 naira for yourself every single day, guys. So all you just have to do for you to get started, to the video description and click on the link and get started for yourself with a token of what, 1000 naira, or you go to the comment box and click on the link and get registered and start making money for yourself, guys. This is the end of my video. Till we meet again, until then, bye bye for now. Peace, and I wish you good luck, guys.